Hi everybody, it's so nice to be back with you. I have an American Girl craft. I've had several requests for how to make a television for your American Girl doll. Well, here you go. Look how cute that is. This is so simple to make. All it is a 4x6 frame. Now, I have looked everywhere for it. It's called a pedestal frame. And it's so cool. It's like a flat screen TV. I got this at Target. You can order it online. I don't know if they have them in the stores. I haven't been able to go to the stores to look because of our stay-at-home quarantines. But I know you can get this online. They're $8. I've looked for cheaper ones, but I only find more expensive ones. This is the cheapest one I could find. So the supplies you need are very minimal. Just the frame, and then whatever you're going to make your pictures out of. Now what I did was I have two slide-ins with a picture on each side. So that's 4 pictures. So in looking for pictures, I just went to the grocery store and grabbed some napkins and paper plates of whatever you want to put on the screen. Then after you get that, you need some of this clear, you want to make sure it's clear, contact paper to cover it with. And that'll help it stay a little bit more firm and protect the picture so it doesn't get marked up. Okay, so all you need to do is take the back off and the little cardboard, you want to keep that. Okay, then you're going to take your plate or your napkin and you're going to use this cardboard to put over how you want to cut this and cut it out. And you want to make sure you cut it a little bit smaller than this. So cut it out this size and then take it and trim around the edge because you want to be able to slide it in easily and you want room for the contact paper on the edges and all. Not a lot, just like 1/8 of an inch is fine. So now that you have these ready to go, you can make as many as you want, make them front and back. Then you're going to peel off your contact paper, the backing of it. I'm not going to do it now because I'm not going to use it. I don't want to lose the sticky. But you just put it on here and then just roll this over on it. And you want to start on the one end and work it down like that so you don't get a lot of air bubbles in there. And then just trim around the edges. You don't want to get too close. You know, you want to be able to have it still stick on the outside. If you cut off the edges, they're not going to stick. You've got to have just the few millimeters left around the side so it wraps around. Then, if you're going to use a napkin, I would suggest using a piece of poster board to put one on one side, one on the other side, and it'll keep it a little firmer. And maybe tape that on the poster board or together if you don't need poster board, if you're going to use these harder plates. And then all you do is slide it in here and the cardboard and the back. Now I took the glass out and I left the glass out. You don't need it. It's plenty thick enough. It doesn't jostle around in there or anything because the glass is inevitably going to break, especially when children are going to be using this. So the one side I did Paw Patrol, then of course some of the princesses, this one's some princesses, and this has the 2 Frozen characters. But you can use anything you want to make a picture. You could even draw your own picture. If you want to do that, that's fine. You could take it off the box of a toy, whatever. The key is this pedestal frame to make it really look like a television. Isn't that cute? Cute TV. So there you have it, a TV for your American Girl doll. So just get creative. Make it how you want it. Personalize it for yourself. We will put a link in the information down below for the frame. Arts and crafts is a great way to spend your time at home during this quarantine time. I love you, priceless beauties, and so does God. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.